Hi, welcome to the new chapter, normalization. So in this chapter we will see what is normalization at the first place, why do you need the normalization, then data anomalies, what exactly data anomalies are, we will see. Then we will see what are the different normal forms to reduce the data anomalies. And then we will see what is the first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, voice chord normal form, and at the end we will see the case study. Now, in the why normalization, we will see details. Why do you need the normalization? What are the scenarios where you need the normalization? We will discuss those in this topic. Then we'll go for the data anomalies. What are different types of anomalies, right? And how they impact, that we will see. How to identify, that we will see in the data anomalies. Then the normal forms. What are the different normal forms available and how to apply them? Like first normal form, what to do to achieve the first normal form, what to do for achieving the second normal form, what to do for achieving third. Now, what is a voice chord normal form, that we will discuss in detail. Also, one note for you, for these normal forms, explanation can be given mathematically also. In-depth mathematics can be used over here, but I have tried to avoid that thing and tried to explain you in the plain English, which will help you in understanding. But after that, you should go with the mathematical explanations as well. Then we will conclude this chapter by working with one case study. This is how the whole chapter is curated. I hope you will learn a lot from the normalization. Thank you.